Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pro Value series. This is their part number SZPR8 ORB. This is a drawer pull, maybe a cabinet pull. This will be made of zinc. Zinc it's heavy, it's dense, it's heavy. It will achieve a nice, reasonable finish. You can see that it is, at least I think, a very pleasant finish. Has that gold or that bronze type tone bleeding through on the collar. And it's inexpensive. Is a hallmark of zinc. I think zinc is a real great base material for use in cabinet hardware when you're looking for, something that feels nice in the hand and is not the same price as solid brass, is what I'm driving at. So it makes for a really attractive piece of cabinet hardware when you take all of those things into account, because you will get a nice finish out of it. And that's what this is. They're not light. This weighs 0.2 pound, about 0.2 pound, a fifth of the pound. At least it does with the two screws that are included with it, 832 by 1 inch. That would be for a typical 3/4 inch drawer or cabinet front. Let's take some dimensional properties. They have an overall length of 4 1/4. I'm coming up with closer to 4 7/16. A projection of 1 7/16. Yeah, maybe. Hard to actually gauge that on the camera, but I'd say pretty close to that. Okay, center to center, of course, that's possibly the most important thing initially. 3 3/4 is what this measures out at. Yeah, there's no doubt it's slightly small on that. There's no question. It's a bit shy on 3 3/4. Very marginally shy. Width, 1/2 inch. It's probably going to be a reference to the base diameter, I would say. Probably not. That's about 5/8. Diameter of the main pull part, it's about 5/8 as well. Okay. Now, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page in our site that will only take you to all the other Pro Value, the Pro Value items that we sell, which is handy. You'll be able to see all those different pages. The manufacturer's website is there, but I don't believe there's much there to look at. I don't know anything about Pro Value hardware except that we purchased it through wholesale, and the material's generally in stock. It's nice looking material. Not much of a website there to look at, but they do have a link to a website. Any questions on the Pro Value SZPR8 ORB, oil rub bronze, drawer or cabinet pull, or any other Pro Value product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.